Okay, so here's the bike, which you've probably seen before. And I've gone ahead and fixed the clutch problems with this second bearing thing. I don't know if you can see a thing, but hopefully you do. Here's the clutch lever. Look. This just tightens the belt. And that's our clutch. Here's the back chain. Throttle is a brake, and for some reason it gives itself throttle whenever I turn the wheel. You see that? So if I turn too hard, it revs itself. Look. Look at this. See the lever being pulled? And if you look over here, there's the actual throttle moving. Still don't know if you can see that. Anyway, let's go for a drive. Oh. Okay, I guess I just can't wear a helmet. Hold on. Anyway, I just learned how to use the clutch. At first I thought the clutch was just too sticky to use, but it does actually work. Okay, I think I can put on a helmet. Yeah, I still have no idea if you can see a thing, but I hope you can. If not, sorry. I do not have 93 octane in here right now. I have 83 for now, and I'm just running it out. And no two-stroke exhaust. It's a very slightly modified stock muffler. So there's not much low-end power. I have to get going to about 8 miles an hour before I can encounter any resistance to my driving, like a hill. So I've got to start here, and I'm going to drive up there.